Point for Muktarpur again. Muktarpur 14, Jalpaiguri 15. Continue point for Muktarpur. It's an equal point. 15 all. Very number service. The very point Muktarpur Paksama. Muktarpur 16, Jalpaiguri 15.
बॉल नहीं था, इधर ही था।
Point for Jalpaiguri. Good Joshua. Right, equal point again. 16 all. There is a block. The point Muktarpur Paksama. Muktarpur 17, Jalpaiguri 16. There is a spike. Jalpaiguri goal number 5 Muktarpur. The equal point 17 all. Continue number touch out by Karthik Tarvata. Row point 18-17. Continue number touch out. Jalpaiguri to play Tarvata. The very big equal point 18 all. There are spike. The point Muktarpur Paksama. 19-18. Ati number block. The point Muktarpur Paksama. Muktarpur 20, Jalpaiguri 18. There are spike. The point Jalpaiguri